Hello guys, today Gohan is going to do the ice bucket challenge. Either do it or donate $10. He's like, I don't want to. You ready? You ready, buddy? Let's do it. Paw. Paw. Attaboy. I don't think he wants to do it. Come on. Gohan the Husky, $25. Let's do it. Thank you. Alright guys, we did it. We donated. And no, I didn't pour the bucket on Gohan. That's way too cold. But yeah, we try to give back. It's all about helping raise awareness, you know. So we give back as much as we can, and it's for a good cause. So like this video and share it. Thank you, and hope you liked it.